Good morning. Today we will discuss Newton-Raphson method. Third sum. Find an iterative formula to find root n where n is a positive number and n's root 5 by Newton's Raphson method. Now to find the real root 5 by using Newton's Raphson method. Newton's Raphson method. Here f of x is equal to 0. For this format we have to change here root 5. This is for x value equal to root 5. Okay. Now to remove the root. Now remove the root and x square equal to 5. Now 5 we can take this side, x square minus 5 equal to 0. This is for f of x. This is for f of x. X square minus 5 equal to 0. Next to find out f dash of x, differentiation of f of x. X square differentiate with respect to x to x. This is for f dash x. Now formula form. First we have to find out f of 0. To substitute the x value 0. This is for 0 minus 5 equal to minus 5. This is for negative result. Next to substitute x value 1 square 1 minus 5 equal to minus 4. This is also negative result. Now to substitute f of 2 square 4 minus 5 equal to minus 1. This is also negative result. Next x value to substitute 3 3 square 9 minus 5 equal to 4. This is for positive. One positive and one negative. The root lies between f of 2 and f of 3. F of 2 and f of 3. We have to find out the x naught value. X naught value. This is for positive result. F of 3 positive and f of 2 minus 1. Now we have to find out what is the negative value very close to the positive. That is called x naught. Now to take the average of these two. X naught equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 2 equal to 2.5. Now to substitute the x naught value 2.5 in f of x. 2.5 equal to, this is x square 2.5 square minus 5. 2.5 minus 5 equal to 2.5. Now result 1.25. This is also positive results. Now already f of 3 positive, required for very close to the negative. So we have to reduce. 2.4 equal to 2.4 square minus 5 equal to 0.76. 0.76. This is also positive. So again to decrease x value 2.3. 2.3 square minus 5 equal 0.29. This is also positive. Now to decrease x value 2.2. 2.2 square minus 5 equal minus 0.16. Minus 0.16. This is for negative value. This negative value very close to the positive value. So we can take this is for x naught value. X naught equal to 2.2. Okay. Now formula n value first we have to substitute 0. So we can get x1 equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. First we have to find out f of x naught value. F of x naught value 2.2. Now to substitute in f of x, we can get the result minus 0.16. Minus 0.16 and f of dash x naught equal to f dash 2.2. Now to 2.2 substitute in to x. Now we can get the result 4.4. This value substitute here x1 equal x naught value 2.2 minus f of x naught value. Here minus 0.16. Here already minus. Now minus will be plus 0.16 divided by f dash x naught value 4.4. Now x1 divide these two, that result add with the 2.2, we can get the result 2.2364. This is the first iteration value. Okay. Now second iteration n value to substitute 1. Now x2 equal x1 minus f x1 divided by f dash of x1. Now to find out the f of x1 value f of 2.2364. Now f of x, this is for x square minus 5. You have to substitute the 2.23 value. 2.2364 square minus 5. That result 1.4850 into 10 to the power of minus 3. This is for f of x1 value. Next to find out f dash of x1. F dash x1 value 2.2364. Now to substitute this value f dash x2 into x2 into 2.2364. Now f dash 2.23 f dash x1 result. Now to multiply these two, result 4.478. These two values substitute here. x2 equal x1 value 2.2364 minus f x1 value 1.4850 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by f dash x1 value 4.47 to 8. Now divide these two, that result subtract with 2.2364. Now we can get the result x2 2.2361. 2.2361. Now this is the second iteration result. Now compare with the first iteration. Both results are not same. So to substitute n value 2 in formula. To substitute n value 2 in formula. Now the formula x3 equal to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. First to find out f of x2. F of x2 equal to f of x2 value 2.2361. F of 2.2361. Now to substitute in f of x, that is 2.2361 square minus 5. We can get the result 1.4321 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Next, f dash x2 equal f dash 2.2361. Here f dash x 2 into x value 2.2361. Now to multiply these two, we can get the result 4.4722. These two value substitute here. x3 equal x2 value 2.2361 minus f of x2 value 1.4321 into 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by f of x2 value 4.4722. Now divide these two, that result subtract with 2.2361. We can get the result x3 2.2361. Now to compare x3 value with x2, both are same. 2.2361 x3 value, x2 value 2.2361. Both are same. Now to stop the process. Therefore, the real root is 2.2361. This is the answer. Any doubt? No. Thank you.